Let me just check if we are live or not. Hello. Hello. Okay, so I guess our sound is like sound. Uh, my voice is probably audible. So let's just jump onto our project repository, and inside in here, let me just create a playground. Okay, so let's just create a folder named playground here. Playground. Then simply just go into playground. In here, we will create another folder for React. CD React, because as it will be in React playground, so mostly we will be doing all our React related shenanigans that we have learned. Like we will implement all those things right here. Okay, and yeah. Okay, so first of all, we have to create a React app from scratch. So let's just do this by using uh, White, because it's fast and more convenient way to create a React app. So to create a white React app, you have to first, okay, let me just, is there another screen? No, it's not. Okay, so for the, let me just jump onto their documentation, and you will see that they have this, the supported template presets are okay. So we need the React, not the TypeScript one, we need the React, normal React one. Okay, it's loading. Yeah, it's loaded. And then not okay, not this template, we need to create a React app. So CLI, and then it's white build. Why white? Okay, no. Yeah, npm. Yeah, so we need this command right here to create a React app. So let me just open my terminal right here. I just hope it's visible. So let's just create a React app, npm create white at the latest, and then maybe my React app. Then we will pass in our template, which is React. Okay, then cd React app, and ls npm install. Let's just wait for a while. Okay, so it's now good to go. npm run dev. Wait, node version 14, so I guess we need npm install 18. We need node version 18 to run this application. Okay, now let's just npm run dev again, and our server is running on over this port. And let's do one more thing. Port, let's just pass the port number 3000. Now our server is running on port 3000, and Let me just show you guys how it looks. So it kind of look like this. Count is 0, something like that. So yeah, okay. Now we have to, first of all, let's just open this application in our code editor. And code this. Okay, so I did install VS Code. Oh shit, how did I forgot it? Okay, let's just install VS Code also. Not here. Visual Studio. Yeah, here it is. Install, password. Good. How did I forgot to install this VS Code? My bad, guys. uh, hmm. Let's just wait for a while till this VS Code is installed. It's like VS Code is getting installed. Let me just check if uh, like if my voice is audible or not. Okay, it is good. Sorry. Just open VS Code from here. Come on, come on, be a good boy. Come on. It's not running yet. Yes, we have to install VS Code from here. Install. Here we have our Visual Studio. We'll just open a folder, computer projects, not projects, and playgrounds. Playground, React app, open. Good. Yes, that was the author. Okay, now src. Now we have app.jsx file right here. Let's just delete everything and let's just add this h1 right here. Hello world, and done. Let's see how if our app, let's see the reflection of this change. Yeah, so we are able to receive this right here. Now inside that app.css, let's just delete everything. Okay, now it's not centered. Okay, so let's just start. Okay, let's just get the css back. Okay, good. Okay, let's just start with the routing thing. So first of all, to enable routing in React, we have to install React router DOM dependency. So let's just go here, React router DOM. It has its own website right here, and getting started, feature overview, tutorials. You can really explore these things right here, but I'll just jump to the the main part, like how to play with it. So npm install, then React router DOM, right here. So we have installed React router DOM in our app, and let's just get rid of this use state and all the unused imports. Now to enable this, first of all, to enable routing in our application, first of all we have to import some methods. So that will be, first of all, let's just create router, and in here we have to use React browser router, and it mostly takes an array of objects, and inside we have, so first of all you have to create a first object which will take parameter like path. So we will pass in an absolute path for now, and then in an element, this element will look like this, is home route. Okay, now if I go here, like nothing to, there's not much to show here, but if I were to change this route to home, and then inside this app function you have to do one more thing. You have to import this, sorry, my bad. You have to return a router component, which is a router provider, and it takes router as an argument, and yeah, good to go. So if I were to 404 not found, as you can see, so it's a default error, like if you hit in path which is not defined in your which is not defined in this create browse router, it will throw in generic error. But for now we have a route here of for like we are sending an element on this home route. So if I press home, it says this is home route. Good. Now let's just add a second route right here. So first of all, let's just make this and make this one our home route, and then create another object. Path will be, this will be maybe products and elements, and this one will have h1, which is, this is products route. Good. So if I were to just go here, and yeah, this is home route, and then products, this is products route. So yep, so that's pretty much basic. That's how you can enable React routing, like routing in React. So as you guys also know, if you are you've been using React for a while now, there was this other method to use like other method to use React, to use routing in React. So it was something like this: route. It was like route, then in here there was this route, then path, then you pass in the element, and yeah, something like this. So you can do that also, but for that you have to import another method from React router DOM, which is let's just say element routes is equals to create uh, routes from elements, and in here you have to pass in this route thing that I mentioned, route, then again route, then after that you have to describe the path, and then simply just element h1 uh, route element, okay, so it's time to create an element. Let's just create an create a folder named components, and in here let's just create an home.jsx. Inside let's just rafc. Okay, so we have to install React. This extension right here for ES7. Now if I go here, and if I just create a function named home, and in here I'm not doing much, I'm just sending some JSX h1 something. This is a home component. After that let's just import it right here. Home. Okay, why it's not working? Oh, sorry, my bad. It's supposed to be an equal sign. So yeah, so element route, then this route right here, and I have to just simply just element routes. And instead of passing this array of objects inside our router, we have to pass this element routes. So create browser router, then element routes, then router. Yeah, now if I just go here and here, nothing really happens. Why? Okay, let's just see the error. There must be an error. Home is not defined, so we have to import home also. So oh, my bad. Export default home. Now this will work. Now home is imported here. Let's just see. Okay, so it should end with JSX. Components home.js not found. Okay, so again we have to make some changes. Import. Okay, why it's not working? Okay, let's just search this error. React. Yeah, that's what I did. Okay, let me just check what did I do wrong here. Wait, so maybe it's because it's not defined like this, I guess. Okay, it does, buddy, it does. Yeah, it does. Like function home. Does not provide an export named home. How? Like it definitely does. How can you say it does not provide any? It's home.jsx. Okay, it's home. Yeah. Let me just stop this application and run it real quick again. And if I go here, Like so far my implementation is correct. What if I again name it on JS and nope, that one won't work. Console. Why? I mean, yeah. Oh, that's why. In here, I have to also implement importer React. Oh my bad. Oh my bad. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. And then, yep, it's working. So yeah, that's how you can. Uh, Sorry it took so much time, but yeah, that's how you can implement the good old routing mechanism using React Router DOM. And if I were to create another, let's just say products component right here, so I can just create another product.jsx and import React from React, and in here function products, and then I don't know, maybe just simpler return, and then this h1, and then this is products page. Okay, now if I have to just products import come on, okay, export default dot products, simple. Now if I go here and if I go from, okay, now we have imported this, and if I go here, we are products, okay, product only, it's product only. So yeah, this is product page, and if I go back, this is home page. So that's how you can implement routing the old-fashioned way, but I will suggest you guys to use this one. So let me just comment this one so that it won't create any call. So we want our application to use this routing method. So yeah, router, yeah, and then this. So yeah, now we have learned uh, how to how to implement React routing. Now we should also learn how to navigate between pages in React. So for that we have home.jsx. Inside this home.jsx, I will create a this is home component, and I will create I can use an anchor tag, and I can just say product, and click here for product page, right? Pretty much simple. So if I save this and reload this, nothing happens. Why? home yeah, console, okay, elements, remove, click here, okay, so sorry, my bad. So for that we have to call our home component. Okay, now click here for home component product. It's products. Okay, so let's just make it product, and yeah, this is product way. So now if I click here, it will go to the product. If I go back, it will go like, but like this is okay, like you can use this, but if you notice here, like if I click on this, click here for product page using the anchor tag, and if I click here, you will see a slight reload right here. Like notice very closely, try to notice it very closely. So if I again click here, you will notice a reload, and this whole page just refreshes itself, and it sends a new request. Like if I go here into the network tab, and if I show you guys like what, like it really sends a new request to the server. So if I again click here, so it's sending a new request, which is not you know something that we will something that will say a good practice. So for that, React Router DOM has introduced us with the link component. So we can use that in our application to prevent our React app to just resending the HTTP request, and you can just simply say that you can just change the content of this page and look into your cached memory or something like that. So yeah, so let's just go into our uh, home component, and inside this home component, let's just remove this, and let's just add this link, and just also import this link from React Router DOM, and it will take argument first of all 2, which will contain the route name, and its product, and yeah, and the text inside it. So click here for products page, and if I refresh it, and if I click on this, you will notice that there is no reload, and we are not sending any request back to the server. So if I click on this page, again the content of this page just changes here, but there is no HTTP request right here. So that's how you can handle uh, route, like navigation in React Router DOM. Okay, so now let's just cover one last topic for today, which is layouts and nested routes. So you can actually have nested routes in React Router DOM. So to implement this, you can just simply you have to just remove this and just create an object. Let's create an object and name it path, and inside here you have to give it a parent element, which will be our root layout. You know what, like this one is a pretty much big topic, and I have other things to do also, so let's just call it a day, and you guys try to use this, memorize it, or learn more about the paths and navigation. And for now we will continue about the route layout. So see you in the next one. Stay tuned, guys. I'm also trying to create some awesome vlogs, more like code journal. So like just give me some time, I will try to stay continue again over this channel, and as I'm getting support from you guys a lot. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.